If you want to write on a picture in PowerPoint, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a super easy way to add text directly on top of any image, whether you're making a presentation, a thumbnail, a school project, or a social media graphic. The best part is that you do not need any advanced design skills to do this, and you can get it done in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple PowerPoint tips and tricks. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open PowerPoint and go to the slide where you want to add your picture. To begin, click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen. From there, choose Pictures. This is the step where you bring your image into the slide. You can insert a picture from your device or use any image you already have saved. Once the picture appears on the slide, you can resize it and move it into the position you want. Now that your picture is on the slide, the next step is to add your text. Go back up to the Insert tab again, and this time click on Text Box. This tool allows you to place text anywhere on your slide, including directly over an image. After selecting Text Box, your cursor will change so you can draw the box exactly where you want the text to appear. Click and drag on top of the image to draw your text box. You can make it small or wide depending on how much text you want to add. Try to place it in a spot where the text will be easy to read and won't block the most important part of the picture. If needed, you can always resize or move it later. Once the text box is in place, simply type your text. This could be a title, a label, a caption, a name, or any message you want to display on the image. After typing, you can highlight the text and change the font size, color, style, or alignment to make it stand out better against the background. If your picture is busy or colorful, using a bold font or a contrasting color can make a big difference. You can also click and drag the text box if you want to reposition it. If the text doesn't look right the first time, don't worry. PowerPoint makes it easy to adjust. Just keep moving the text box until it looks clean and professional. You can even add multiple text boxes if you want to place different words in different areas of the same image. And that's really all there is to it. To write on a picture in PowerPoint, insert your picture, go to Insert, choose Text Box, draw the text box on the image, and type your text. It's a quick and simple method that works great for any kind of visual project. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.